waking up feeling like it's gonna rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know.
To be selfish with you, I only want to see the truth. I want to eliminate the unnecessary. My vision's never been so clear. You've arrested my
Good morning guys! So, nakabihis na ako and meron kasi ako school ngayon. So, maaga ako nagising at kumain na rin ako ng breakfast. So, yeah! Good luck sa akin sa school ko and I'm very excited. So, sobrang casual lang ng outfit ko. Jeans, like maluwag na jeans and then t-shirt. So, yun lang. So, hi guys! Meron pa akong time. So, yan. And, ngayon yata kami magbe-bake. So, I'm very excited dun. So, yun. Chill lang ako dito. So, yeah. I'm not sure. Ngayon yata kami magbe-bake. So, hindi ko alam kung pwede ako mag-vlog dun. Sana pwede. Pero pag hindi, na tayong magagawa. So, yeah. Guys, alis na ako. Ito na yung bag ko. So, yeah. Bye! Malapit na ako sa school to, na yung school ko. So, yeah.
여자친구야 어쩜 뭐 할까 baby 내 여자친구야 hey.
So guys, ito yung dinner ko. Brown rice with gyoza, kimchi, and then yung kahapon na natira. So yan, kakain lang ako and kain tayo guys. So, yun na guys. Kakakain ko lang. And nabis ko. But, you know, kakain ako ng ice cream because I deserve it. Ang dami ko nilakad. Grabe nilakad ko. Ganda lang napuntahan kong Koen. So, yun. And, alam pong ginawa ko. Nahugas na rin ako. So, check na yun. And then, nag-ayos na rin ako ng gamit para bukas. Check. And, yeah. Mag-chill-chill lang ako dito sa bahay. So, I think i-end ko itong vlog na to. So, bukas ulit. And yeah, good night guys. Hindi pa naman gabi, but good night.
없어, baby. My flowers bathe in your light, and I'm blooming by your side. You know, I've been waiting for too long. Yeah. 지금 right now, sunshine on the shoreline feels like a super trooper. Is this the Truman Show right now? 너가 제일 좋아하는 음악을 들려줘. 이 노래 말고 어디서 본 듯한.
Good morning, guys. This is my breakfast. Granola with frozen berries and banana. So, may coffee rin ako. So, kakain lang ako. And, yeah. Kain tayo!
우린 만나 푸른 하늘 You belong with me in this way.
Let's go explore. Sun's up and it's one more side. Maybe a picnic for us to unwind. When we touch, say penya like lightning. You will know that you my baby girl, my sweet darling, pretty pearl. The way you hold me tight and tell me things I like. Girl, you got me on my knees. Devastated, do you see? On my night.
So, hi guys! Good morning! Kahawi ko lang. Pumunta lang ako sa 7-Eleven para i-charge yung bus card. So, yun. Kumain na rin ako ng breakfast at naglinis na rin ako ng kwarto. So, check na rin yung lahat. So, yeah. Ito lang yung outfit ko. Super simple. White shirt and then gray jumper na maluwag. So, yeah. And then, baka mag-white Adidas shoes na lang ako. So, see you there. I'm not sure kung makakapag-vlog pa ako doon. But, yeah. Kakauwi ko lang. It's 4:30. Now 4:30. So, maliligo lang ako kasi sobrang init sa labas. And then, maglalaba. Tapos, magluluto na rin ako ng pagkain. And, yeah. So, ito yung dinner ko. Yung kahapon na tira. Brown rice, kimchi, gyoza, and then cabbage salad. So, kakain lang ako.